You should know what this is right from those taillights. It's a Mustang. It's a 1969. What makes it really special is coming up here. Look at the scoop, look at the interior. What really sets this one apart? Yes, Boss 429. Let's look at the engine. This is one of 859 made that year at the Carcraft plant in Brighton, Michigan. They were all hand assembled and fully upgraded. Things like special pollution control equipment, power steering, and exhaust manifolds. This particular one is number 429. It was purchased by Jack Roush in 1975. This car is here at the Roush Automotive collection in Livonia, Michigan.